Alrighty, YouTubers. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below where you can get one of these at a low cost and take advantage of the Prime shipping. And they'll ship this to you in no time. We are in the holiday season now. You might want to add this to your list or get one for yourself right now. These are a great deal they got going on for Black Friday. This is coming from my good friends over at Lepow. Oh, baby. Really cool, guys. This is going to be a Lepow portable monitor. Mini HDMI to HDMI cable comes with. This is the Type C to Type C cable. The HDMI is hooked up in my room. Like I said, I already opened it up and started testing it out, make sure everything's working smoothly, which it is. And I'm really impressed with the screen. It comes with a smart cover, screen protector, wall charger. So you get all the fixings at a low cost from Lepow. Like I said, this is really sweet. You can hook up your gaming systems. We're going to do a test run on those. I tried it with the Nintendo Mini and it worked perfectly. We'll try the Mini again so I can show you guys, and then probably the PS4 and the Xbox. Okay, so let's take a look. Usually right here are the wall charger and I think one of the cords, but like I said, I already used them. Here we go. Ooh la la. This is huge, but it looks so clean. If I can pull it out. Great presentation how they have this set up. Really nice packaging job. There we go. And like I said, here's a Type C. You hook up your iPads, laptops, cell phones, smartphones, and you can always, mirror it. Here's the case. Really cool. You can fold it out. It's like one of these. It's got somehow it shows in the instructions, and then screen wipes comes with, and here's the screen protector. So that's cool. And now here she is. Really nice. It is lightweight too. Let's pull that off. Look at that. Bam. It's so clear. But wait till you see it in action. Like I said, it's super thin. You can probably flush. There's the speakers right here. HDMI, quick charge, I think. Yep. Or USB and headphone jack. You can flush mount these like in the walls in your home. USB. I think this is a volume and a power button. But this thing is super thin. Look at that. Alright, like I said, I got the power cord and all that good stuff in my room because I started to set things up. So I can show you guys. We're going to test this out. The USB. Let's see what else I could say. Mini HDMI. The speaker I already showed you. The 3.5 audio output port. Full function Type C port. Type C. Oh, that's roll key. Connection condition. Already did that. Yeah, you can hook up a computer to display. Type C to Type C. Computer to display. HDMI. Mini HDMI to HDMI cable. USB A Type to Type C. Phone, you can use a Type C to Type C. So that's what we're going to be doing. Other devices, mini HDMI, gaming devices, mini HDMI. Specs are really good. So we're going to check this out, turn it on. Like I said, when I put on the NES Mini, really happy with the results. I haven't tested the Xbox or PS4. I was going to wait until video time to test it out. So time is now. We're going to hop over to my room, YouTube Magic. Check it out. I'm recording the screen via phone capture. Right there. Move the cord down. Where is it? There you go. I mean, once you adjust it the right way. Oh, there I am. Wow. So you can stream your movies and everything else, Netflix. I'm going to disconnect this. And it charges your phone at the same time. So that is really cool. USB to USB. You could do tablets. I do believe I got... Let me check this. We had to teleport really fast. But that's how I got the smart cover. All the way. There you go. Lepow. And now Lepow to the room. Alrighty, YouTubers, here it is with the NES Mini. We got it hooked up with the mini HDMI. You just put the mini HDMI back into HDMI slot. Then the mini right there. And then, look at that. That's with the cover on. Or this, and ooh. That is nice. God, I miss this game. There we go. Like I said, it sounds great. Everything looks smooth. There we go. It's been a long time. But I'm just doing it one-handed, so it's kind of hard. Here we go. But I mean, look at that, though. Sounds great. You can probably hook up a Bluetooth speaker or something. Or not a Bluetooth, but one of those audio jacks. Hook it up to one of those speakers. Get kind of a surround sound going, but you can always use your headphones. Now here's a good test. We're going to do probably the PS4 on that one. Because the Xbox is down there. I do want to test out Call of Duty, but we're going to try the PS4 and the cell phone coming right up. Alright guys, we got it hooked up to the PS4 right over there. Got the cord on the side right there. And here we go. That looks really good. So like I said, you can hook up your tablets, your iPads, and you'll get an extra screen. And you also could use it for streaming movies with your Netflix, Fire Stick, Roku. Come on. Loading time. Should be a second be done. It's been a while since I used PS4, but now got this screen. This is my computer screen. I probably could hook that up to this also, so I'll do that on my own. But we're going to check out these graphics. Come on. It's loading. There we go. Alright. That looks really nice. So there you have it, YouTubers. Lepow 15-inch screen. Monitor. Really nice. Alright, be safe. Have a good night. See ya. Just forgot to show you right where that button is for the volume. Right on the side. You just got to hold it in for a second. Here we go. And that's where the other options are. Brightness, You change all those levels. There you go. So there you go, guys. Check them out. Be safe. See ya.